Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Hard to believe, 1 year ago today, the Pilger, Nebraska twin tornadoes, the one tornado that hit Pilger and the one that narrowly missed Pilger, happened. But it was, 1 year ago today. Thankfully, nothing like that in the forecast. But the reason I also want to mention that is we do have a special going on later on today, this evening. Tune in later on today as we'll have several of our TV personalities up in Pilger covering the events and kind of going live from there. Tim Jones, meteorologist Tim Jones, he will be up there later on today as well. But 1 year ago, nothing like that in the forecast for today. We have some hit or miss showers and storms in the forecast this week ahead of us, but it almost feels more like a summertime weather pattern where the storms just don't get overly organized because of weak upper level winds. The flow in the upper levels is fairly weak, and so that's one thing that's preventing stronger thunderstorm activity. Now, things are quiet this morning. In fact, it's very beautiful this morning as of the time I'm recording this, 7 o'clock in the morning. We are looking at a few passing clouds out there, maybe a few stray showers, mostly in northern Nebraska, but then late this afternoon, along and ahead of that cold front out in northwestern Nebraska, could see some stronger showers and thunderstorms develop, and those will push eastward during the evening and overnight hours. So we'll have to watch for at least some isolated severe storms. As we head later into the night, though, that chance of severe weather goes down, and in fact, some of this shower and thunderstorm activity should dissipate. Now, Futurecast holds it together pretty well here in central Nebraska around the midnight time frame. There are some forecast models that completely dry us out by the time we get towards midnight and won't even make it to central Nebraska. So I've only went with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms for now. Now, eastern Nebraska, you folks will likely not see much of anything as that really does fall apart after midnight. So by tomorrow morning, pretty much everybody's dry. We could see a few lingering clouds to start off our Wednesday, and then partly cloudy and maybe even mostly sunny skies. Now, Futurecast keeps things fairly dry other than western Nebraska, but it's not out of the question that we see isolated showers or thunderstorm try to pop up on Wednesday with that frontal boundary in the area. It's not a great chance, though. The better chances will be out in western Nebraska once again. That's going to be kind of a continued trend, and you'll see that with our Storm Prediction Center's convective outlooks for the next couple of days. Now, their risk for today is, again, in western portions of Nebraska with that slight risk of severe weather, a marginal risk that includes western and northern portions of our viewing area northwest of the Tri-Cities. Again, not looking for much severe weather, but the far, far northwestern fringes of our viewing area could see large hail damage and winds, maybe an isolated tornado. And some of those same areas, especially out towards the west, that have a risk for severe weather for tomorrow. Most of us, not much of a risk with just that marginal threat. And then on as we get towards Thursday, maybe a little bit better chance that a few stronger storms try to sneak into the northwestern parts of our viewing area. And once again, large hail damage and winds, perhaps a tornado or two, not out of the question as we get towards that time frame again later on this week. Highs for today, again warmer than yesterday, but still not bad, still slightly below average, upper 70s up to the north. That's where the best chance of rain will be during the day today. An isolated thunderstorm possible way out west, partly sunny skies, highs in the lower 80s. In the south, we're looking at upper 70s and lower 80s, partly to mostly sunny skies, a bit on the breezy side, and to the east, upper 70s and lower 80s under mostly sunny skies. Your extended forecast, again, after as we get into tonight, that small chance of hit or miss showers and thunderstorms all the way through Thursday night. It's likely that many of us will stay dry the majority of that time. Notice temperatures do start to trend upwards, low and mid 80s for Wednesday and Thursday, upper 80s on Friday, mid and upper 80s on Saturday. We'll cool it back with a small chance of a shower or thunderstorm Saturday through Sunday night. A little cooler for that first day of summer, but still not that far off from average for this time of the year. And then back into the mid-80s on Monday. And some of those warmer days here in the Tri-Cities, we could be talking about some 90s off to our south and to our southwest, as some heat is going to try to build back into the area. So pretty typical summer-like conditions out there as we approach that first day of summer on Sunday, and of course Father's Day as well. So the longest days of the year, at least when it comes to daylight, approaching us fairly soon, and then we'll start to slowly lose that daylight once we get beyond Sunday here. So again, enjoy it because summer is returning, and you definitely feel like summer over the next couple of days. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.